Extreme Snoring with Brooke, Snore Bear, the Crook. She can snore and snore and snore and snore. Nobody snores and snores like Brooke, Snore Bear, the Crook. Has she stopped? I doubt it. She just wants to lure you back to sleep. That's right. Go back to sleep. It's nice and quiet. Something's happened in Fight Club.
What's this now?
Well, that was sad. There's the Snore Bear. One short little snore, followed by a big snore, and then probably many, many more snores. For as long as the Snore Bear can snore, there's a wilderness. Wilderness hears the call of the Snore Bear. The Snore Bear calls you, Wilderness. She needs you. What do you think of the Snore Bear? Yes, I agree. She is a champion snorer. What should we do? Will we ever sleep? I know. Mondays, right?